how to remove Instagram from your TikTok profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, you can simply make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. After checking on all of those connections and your account credibility, simply tap on the option of profile over here at the bottom right corner. As you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, simply you'll be landed on your profile section. Now what you can simply do is tap on the edit option beside your name over here. So as you tap on edit, you can simply see the links over here. So let's tap on the links option, and here you can see the Instagram option. So I have not added the link over here, so you can simply tap on add and you can simply just add any of the link. And if you want to remove it, you can simply just go back to the page over here of the links. So you can simply just go back for once again and tap on the link option, tap on the three lines over here and simply tap on the remove option over here to remove your Instagram from your TikTok profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.